Ooh, it's very, very, very cold, but we are in Leszno today. And yes, I'm still alive. Thank you for caring about Damush, about Damian. I thought everybody forgot about me, but when I disappeared from the YouTube for a week, somebody remember of you. Very nice. Thank you so much. Either way, Winnie's feeling cold. Yesterday was so warm. Today is already so cold. I don't know. It's like 10 degrees or something, or even less. And anyway, this is Leszno, small town, about 1 hour drive from Poznań. We have to do some paperwork in the government buildings here. So we're gonna a little bit explore the city. There is small town, not much to see actually, but the fountain is nice. The church in the background is also nice. And we
Bardzo zimno.
Bardzo zimno. It is very, very cold though. So we have to walk. Yes? Let's walk. So we're gonna show to you guys a little bit from the small town called Leszno, nearby Poznań.
Wow, look at that over there. It looks like, you know, there are school kids from the very young age. They are teaching you how to be a very strong walking in the cold.
Yeah, it's very cold. Winnie is already like really cold, and the kids going from the school trip, right? Okay,
Yeah,
but let's focus on the church. Cathedra is in the background or something with the nice fountain and the nice flowers, the birdies and everything. And I think it's the city over there, so we will have a look. Huh? But what do you think? It's first impression, except that it is so cold.
So cold
And quiet.
And then, you know, whenever we come here, people saying, you coming from Poznan and going to Leszno? Nothing to do here.
But we are the monkeys. We're showing everything, right?
Right. So one thing that I see is that it is very, very enjoyable actually. You know, going to this one is called suburb, right? Like a smaller city or something like that.
Right, something like that.
But it's really like you feel and, you know, you experience how is the Poland in terms of its authentic city with the less modern one. And, you know, you will surround it with the buildings, the old buildings like this. But what I can say then, it's less modern, but it's very nice. Look at this beautiful tulip.
So cute. Actually,
So
very nice shot,
so
isn't it?
Nice.
And who is that gentleman next to Yula?
Yes.
On this
yes.
side? I don't know. There is no name of the guy. But he looks so gentle. I know, he's the name actually. Stanisław Grochowiak, maybe. He was the Polish poet from 1934-1976. Shame on me, I don't know him. But, well, that's life.
The vibe is totally different. You know, when in Poznan, when I walk, people don't care. Just like walk like this.
But here people looking
and
at us.
looking at me like,
You first Asian in Leszno, huh? Look at that, people looking from the cars for us. Nice alpha. Okay, let's go. So we are somewhere like an old town, some sort of thing, looking for the city hall. Winnie is really cold actually. Even for me it's a little bit chilly, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe not super cold, but it's definitely chilly. I don't know what's happened really. The weather was so beautiful and suddenly changed into really like a chilly cold weather. For you it's really cold, huh? Where is your hat?
it is just like a 7 or 8 degrees, but it's very cold.
No, it's 10 degrees.
10 degrees?
Where is your hat? Why you
I
didn't?
left it at home.
Oh no, you should take a hat next time. And but we're gonna show. That's a very nice post office building actually. We'll show you a little bit around. Ooh, nice bakery over there.
One thing, whenever you walk on the Rinek, something like that, it's Rinek, right, Kanye?
Right,
and
kind of.
You
I
know,
think
there
so.
are so many shops and there are so many bakeries or pastry shop. The smell of the bread is just like make me like.
And this is like a Georgian bakery. So it's not the Polish bakery, it's Georgian bakery. But the Georgian stuff is so cool, huh? Look at this. You wanna try this one? Actually, so cool with the pizza. This is how they're making the bread. So cool, huh?
Nice.
Georgia.
Look at that in front of me. You see many people watching at me.
Cool, look at you.
Looking
Everybody.
at me. But in Poznan, they don't really care. But here, they just like.
Well, small town. And this is the post office building, looking nice and like old town. We used to drive here, looking for the parking lot. Okay, let's go to the city hall that way, all right?
Right. Right.
next to the Georgian bakery. And this is the map of the Leszno city. This is how does it look like. It's pretty small town though, but it's cool. As we hear, at least we enjoy something new, right?
Right, and then what I can see then it's clean. I mean that there is not much graffiti on the building. And,
Right, correct. Actually, that's a good point. It's pretty clean though here.
and enjoyable.
Maybe they are old-looking buildings. This is like on somebody moving out. That's a different story. But the balconies and everything, and the old architecture, but literally, it's like old but clean. I have to say that. And it's very, very quiet. It feels like my hometown Iława a little bit smaller. And there is the Biuro Podróży. Let's see if they sell balila.
Let's go.
Bet 100 zł, there's no bali on it.
No.
All right, what we have it? We have it Spain, Tanzania, Zanzibar, of course, Turkey, Bulgaria, Grecia, Tunisia, Morocco, Greece, Egypt, Croatia. No Bali, sorry, sayang.
Nobody.
No Bali on it.
I think that the Polish people have not really much interest going to Bali, right?
Not anymore,
Not
huh?
anymore. Look at these two guys in front of me. This is how they keep the city, the Reenact, clean.
Right.
You know?
Something, this how it's supposed to be, isn't it?
Right.
That's nice. The bank have a nice building though. Here, no advertising for any company here, by the way, but this is like our lifestyle of vlogging, traveling lifestyle, vlogging. We're talking about everything and nothing at the same time, right? That's
At least we have fun wherever we
have
go.
fun, exactly.
Always have fun.
exactly. Okay, let's see the city hall at the end. It must be somewhere here. I wonder if there are many restaurants with the, restaurants put on the floor, like, on the ground, something like in Stary Rynek in Poznań or Wrocław, right?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Hey, put your hoodie on. Don't want you to get sick.
Honey, the smell of ponchek.
Oh my God, ponchek. Let's have a ponchek, huh?
O'clock.
Ponchek o'clock, huh? Okay, let's buy ponchek here. And ponchek. I look at this one. We buy some ponchek. I already wanna have a strawberry one or with the plum one, huh? And you want a Kinder Bueno, huh?
Tak.
Or what you want? Advocate, you cannot drive. With the blueberries there, huh?
Let's have one.
All right, let's go. All right, we got our ponchek. Always good time for
Ponchek o'clock.
ponchek o'clock or coffee o'clock. Mine is with the blueberry, blueberry hot. Yours is Kinder Bueno, right? Mm-hmm. Right. So it's nice. Always good to have a ponchek. It's like cost you 5, 6, 7 zloty, depends where you are. But if you are lucky, you can get a warm one, and it's so good. Actually, it's really nice. You can see that. And I didn't know the cars are here allowed. Actually, I thought it's not. And then the city hall is behind us. Actually, as you can see over there. So it's actually cool.
There are so many nice shops and restaurants around us.
Yeah.
So when
And they're
people
preparing for summer the parks.
exactly when people saying there is nothing here is actually more enjoyable. I mean, like it's quieter, yes, but when you walk around on the left, on the right, it's really feel like you are not in the big city life.
Right, you can feel the vibe of the small town. Actually, that's for sure. And also architecture on the other side is also very nice. So as you can see, that's the very beautiful the city hall here in Leszno. I don't know how old is it, but it's old for sure. Over 100 years old, like everything in Poland. And also everything here, as you can see, there are restaurants and everything. And they're opening like gardens for the summer. Just simply here a little bit slower later than in Poznań because smaller town and it's still a little bit cold. But everything here will be actually lively very, very soon. Everywhere here, as you can see, and also behind the Ratusz, which is the city hall over there, everything will work out soon. So, you can hear that? So cool. What time is it? 1? 1 o'clock actually, exactly. So every 1 hour is like a gong. So cool. Small town, but cool. I feel actually during the summertime it's like a nice little gate away from the big city of Poznań,
Right, and you can already feel like it's not the tourist spot. Only people who,
Yeah.
like want to escape from hustle and bustle life of the big city life, they will come here.
But not much tourism here. No taxis here. That's the first thing what I noticed. There's no taxis here. So you have to come here by your own transport or something. So I recommended using my services of Prestige Poznań. I can bring you here, by the way, a little advertising, but my channel and my company, so I can promote myself now, at least after so many years of making YouTube. But generally it's like this one, right? There will be some action during the summer, for sure. I enjoying my donut, by the way. So good.
And looks around, even they have a sushi restaurant here.
Where?
Our Malaysian friend really love sushi. This is
Hello.
for you. And there are so many
Turkish restaurant.
Turkish restaurant,
Interesting.
pub, burger, so many restaurants. Wow. And I'll show you 360 degree. I already get cold. So yeah.
Some restaurant Wieniawa here with the statues also of the guy Leszczyński, Stanisław. I think he was the famous person here. And overall like old cobblestone road here, like a little alley kebab, ice cream, but it's too cold for ice cream, I guess. Some banks and everything. Looks like this one little town, but enjoyable, isn't it?
Right. And then it's totally different, you know, like the big city vibe, but compare again. But here, enjoyable, really much
Actually enjoyable. Small.
And clean. The most
That's
important thing is very clean.
That's the most important thing. Oh, and they have a barber here as well. Cool. And oh, this is the bench of love. You can sit here and kiss, but no kissing when it's so cold. Okay, let's go. Oh, and the flower shop. Actually nice. Small, but nice. And what is it? Something church or something? But also here is some church, actually. Some old looking church. Well, actually, this part of Poland is one of the oldest, first part of Poland, like Wielkopolskie state. So yeah, so many kids, huh?
Yeah.
I can hear the kids everywhere. You wanna get enter to this church little bit, have a look?
Yeah, let's see.
You have a sugar on your lips one still after this one. There's so many kids, huh? And the church also looks pretty decent. I don't know if you can get inside actually, but looks cool. And the kids over there.
See? People
They
looking
look at you.
at me like alien.
You are
I'm an alien.
Everybody looking at you. Look. You see? Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Now you, but at least now you know how I used to feel so many years in Asia, huh? Okay. I think it's closed, babe. You cannot get inside.
Bye.
Oh, you see? Siema. Okay, we're at the front of the church. So, yeah, it's nice. Very old, though. And kids likes you, babe.
I know.
Not sure about the history of this church, but you have still Latin language here written. And the oldest year what I found here is 1695. So, you know, this is old stuff, like everywhere in Europe actually. So it's actually cool. Alright, but we cannot get inside. Okay, let's go home slowly, yeah?
Oh, look at that. What's that building?
Whoa, what is it actually? I don't know actually, but we have to have a look then. Actually, there's some sort of very old graveyard here. I don't know if I want to go to the graveyard, babe.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And magical thing happens again.
Right.
Ooh, you see? Why they are not flying away?
Babe,
Because
they are
some
not
of the
scared of you,
places, like they are flying away. Look, seems like they used to with the human.
Right, they are
And-
not afraid of you, babe.
And they are big and fat. Maybe they eat lots of ponchak.
Maybe, but they looks nice. Actually, they chilling.
wow.
They feel cold. Look at this birdie. He hide his head. You see?
Right.
They feel
right.
cold.
Right.
But
Very
they are nice, actually.
nice.
Nice and clean. Ooh. Nice birdies. They used to with human, huh?
Right. See?
So much ponchek.
They are not flying, no?
No. Okay, let's have a. That's the nice nature with the birdies. Now I show you something cool, what you never see. Okay?
Let's go.
Let's go.
stop for a break, little bit, 5 minutes, and look at this, surround with the nature, and it is spring basically. And look at this one is the yeah, something like that. It's very hard to say. For me, it's just like flowers, spring flowers, yellow everywhere. Look at that. Wow. Wow! I know some of you doesn't like my wow, but for me, this is my wow. This is called zapak. And Damian said this is used for the oil. For me, it's like a beautiful flower. Look at this. Can I pick maybe one to take home, Kohanye?
Maybe, yeah. Maybe the farmer will be not mad at you.
It's very hard. Oh my God, smells so good. Okay, I think that's all my video from Leszno. This is how we just escape for hustle and bustle city life in Poznań. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Do widzenia!